Hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to send USDT, which is ton from Telegram wallet to Binance. So first things first, get your Binance deposit address on and open the Binance app or website. Log in and then go to wallet, fiat, then spot. Search for USDT in your list of assets, select and deposit and choose the USDT network you'd like to use. Example ERC20 or BEP20. Copy the deposit address provided for the network you chose. Then after that, open your Telegram wallet, search for and open your wallet buttons at wallet. Once the wallet opens, choose and send or withdraw USDT depending on the options available. Either the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Then after that, just select the network. Be sure to use the same network you selected on Binance to avoid loss of funds. Specify the amount you want to transfer, and after that, just confirm and send. Review the details carefully, including the network and address. Confirm the transaction, and it will process based on the network speed. And yeah, guys, that's our tutorial for today. If you haven't received your money, you just need to wait for a little bit. Make sure if you enter the correct address. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.